Hello friends, in previous video we learned for demoting any domain controller from our network, and in today lesson we will learn role transfer and switching FSMO roles. Uh, Active Directory always works on 5 roles, and 5 roles are schema master, domain naming master, PDC, RID, and infrastructure. So basically, schema master is your blueprint of your Active Directory infrastructure. Means you can say it's a logical layout of Active Directory database, and only one DC can hold this role in domain. Second one is domain naming master. It's ensuring we are using unique name, and only one DC in the enterprise hold this role. Means if you are promoting any domain controller in environment, then domain naming master will validate if you are already using that VM name and domain name, then it will throw error. PDC is responsible for managing backward capability, maintaining latest password, target server for policy, primary time source of domains. Primary time source for domain means it's related to date and time. So it will validate. Suppose that if time and date is not synchronizing between your two domain, PDC and ADC, then your server means will not be able to replicate from each other, and it will also cause a issue in system login, server login. RID responsible for creating a unique SID for objects like computers and users. Means you cannot create a user with same name. Same name means suppose that if you have already a user one in your domain controller, and if you will try to create a second user with username login ID, then a domain controller will not allow. Last one is infrastructure. It's responsible for updating objects SID and distinguish name in cross domain object reference. Means suppose that you have created a security group and adding users on that security group, then infrastructure master is maintaining that record. So let's start on domain controller and see how we can transfer roles. So here you can see first we have to register schema master role. Schema master actually you cannot view schema master without registering schema management.dll file. And if you don't want to register a schema master.dll file, then you have to use a command prompt for transferring all the roles from one domain controller to second domain controller. So let's start, and we are going to register a schema master DLL file for accessing through MMC. Here regsbr32.exe dot DLL. Yeah, here you can see we have successfully registered a schema management.dll file, and now we will open MMC, see how. Click on MMC. Here go to file, add remove snap in, Here you can see Active Directory schema. We'll add, close. Let's view which server is holding our. Here you can see currently DC02 is having a schema master role. So we have to, let's see. Here you can see DC02 is holding this role. Then what we do, we have to connect DC01 for transferring. So here you can see Active Directory domain and domain controller. So we will select a change option and here we will click DC01. So select DC01. Now here you can see we have successfully changed our domain controller. Now click on Operation Master, and now we are going to transfer schema master from DC02 to DC01. So simply click on change. Here it's asking for do you really want to change? Yes, that's simple. Here you can see Operation Master successfully transferred. Okay, click on OK, close. Now refresh. Here you can see DC01 is holding our schema master from DC02. Okay, now we will click on tool, and under tool we will select Active Directory domain and trusts. Click. Here you can see currently we have connected DC02 and we want to transfer Operation Master role from DC02 to DC01. Click on Operation Master. No, first we have to select change Active Directory domain controller and we will select DC01. Click OK. Yeah, now we have moved on DC01 and click Operation Master. Here you can see DC02 holding domain naming Operation Master role. Now simply click on change. Yeah, it's asking are you sure you want to transfer this Operation Master role to a different computer? Yes, simple. Here you can see master successfully transferred. Here you can see now our naming Operation Master is DC01. So close. Now let's move on Active Directory users and computer. Here it's see here it's already connected DC01. So simply right click here, Operation Masters, select. Now click on Infrastructure Master. It's showing Operation Master role is holding DC02. Simply click change. Yes. Here you can see we have transferred PDC. Operation Master role is showing DC02. Click yes. Now transfer RID. It's already showing DC02 01. So if you will found DC02 entry, then simply you will click on change and it will automatically transfer uh, your RID role on DC01. Okay. Now thanks for watching, friends.